Okay, a rectangle is inscribed in a circle such that each vertex of the rectangle lies on the circumference. The diagonal of the rectangle is twice the length of the shortest side, and the area of the rectangle is that many square units. What is the length in units of the diameter? So, this question is about a rectangle inside a circle. Now, I'm going to draw a rough sketch of a circle and I'll draw a rectangle inside of that. So each vertex of the rectangle is on the circle, and then the diameter will be the diagonal. So this is the center of the circle. Now before we begin this problem, we need to know special right triangles. If we know this, then the problem becomes really simple. So the first special right triangle is where you have the acute angles 45, 45, and then you have 1, 1 root 2. Or you can make it any size as long as they're similar, which means as long as all the angles are same. So if you have 45, 45, 90, then we can take this to be x, then this is also x, and that's going to be x root 2. So what it says is the diagonal is square root 2 times one of the legs. Now this special right triangle, if I increase the size, increase or decrease the size, where the shortest leg or shortest side is x, then the longer side would be root 3x. It's root 3 times the shorter side, and then this is double 2x. And again, these are 60 degrees and that's 30 degrees. So we want to have this picture in mind. Now the question is, a rectangle is inscribed in a circle such that each vertex lies on the circumference. The diagonal is twice the length of the shortest side. So if the length of the shortest side is x, and if the diagonal is 2x, so that means I have a special right triangle of the second kind. So shortest side is x and the hypotenuse is 2x. So the diagonal happens to be the hypotenuse of this right triangle. So then this has to be x root 3. Now the area of the rectangle is that. What is the area of the rectangle? It's x times x root 3. This happens to be 1089 root 3. Dividing both sides by root 3, we see x square is 1089, and I can use a calculator to find x. X will be square root of 1089, which is 33, and that's our answer.